On behalf of the perinatal team, we would like to thank Shannon and Tammy for the nomination for the team award. It has been our pleasure to work together for many years. We have overcome many things and gone through many things together, but the joy of working with this team cannot be understated. This brings to conclusion for me a career in nursing education that has been outstanding because of the people I get to work with. So on behalf of my team and my thank you for your nomination and our award, I appreciate everything that has been done.
I said it better myself.
Please, you guys are welcome to add stuff.
It's been a privilege working with this team.
Thank you so much to the nominators, and nursing and education is hard work, but it's been very worth it, and thank you so much for this amazing award.
Thank you, Tammy and Shannon. Both of you have been pivotal for my transition to academia, and I'll never forget walking in my first day on this team, and Tammy, your organization and your encouragement and freedom that you showed me when I started. It very much appreciated, and thank you very much for this award.
I thank you, Tammy and Shannon, for your nomination. I am so much about teamwork. I love this team because that's what we're all about. I felt nothing but support from them, and I always enjoy working with the perinatal team. Thank you.